What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka Audiocat, here with another day, another video, man. Today we're having a car wash day with my car. You can see I got the Audiocat here, but I want to bring something to y'all very special, man. These tires, I just got them put on, right? They're brand new tires. I went with a little bit of taller series because I like to have a little more protection on my rim. But as you can see, the tires are completely dirty all the way around, including the wheels. We got the back ones also put on, a little bit taller because I like a little more meat on my tires, especially for gripping. But you can see my tires are dirty. On this video, man, we're doing something a little bit different, man. We're gonna be giving you a review on the Stunna Butter tire care, man. And you know what? Stunna Reese is a good friend of mine. Shout out to Stunna Reese, man. If you don't know who he is, man, shoot him that like and that subscribe to his channel. Great dude in the car culture, holding more events than anybody else you know on Instagram or YouTube. A great dude, man. Dealt with him personally multiple times. But we got something going on. He got his own car care product came out, right? I didn't get the waxes or nothing, man. I actually just got the arm off to start off with this. It's not that I don't trust him, man. I've been watching reviews. I trust him a lot. His word to me means a lot. But I asked him to send me this Stunna Butter. I want to try it on tires today. So today I'm gonna have them do the work. I already got the wash crew here. They're about to wash my car up. But instead of using anything else that they normally use, today we're gonna be using Stunna Butter. So we're gonna be trying this out on the vehicle to see how the effects are. I'm gonna give you a today look. I'm gonna give you a 2-day. I'm gonna give you a 3-day, so you guys can really see what the effect is of this Stunna Butter that is so popular right now all over the place. And I believe it's a great product. But you know what? I'm gonna try it myself. So today we're gonna be getting this on, letting them wash the cars and getting the Stunna Butter installed on my tires and see first of all how they look today, how they look in day 2, how they look in day 3, and how the 4-day. I'm gonna go 4-day with y'all, giving y'all an effect of what it looks like in there. Cause he gets that, you can hear that baby girl just sounding beautiful. He's about to pull it up to the section to get her cleaned up, man. I love this car, y'all. I really do love this car. Y'all read this here, look. HELLCAT. But that's not a HELLCAT. I always tell people it's not a HELLCAT, it's a Audiocat. I had this little ding happen to me yesterday in the garage, bro. That thing got me so upset. But it comes with the territory owning a car, man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let them do their thing. I'm gonna come introduce you to the product. I'll show you what we got going on. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, so I'm inside the shop here, man. As you can see, we're about to open up, but this is the product that we're dealing with today. It's called the Stunna Butter, right? It's a blue shark oil tire dressing, lasts for 6 weeks, no sling, water repellent, man. Think what the product looks like. I told my guy, listen, man, I want you to do me a favor. This is what I want you to try. Well, let's read the instructions of how to use brush blue shark oil on the tire. And then it says here, let dry, then wipe off with, man, hold on. I'm failing y'all reading because I can't really see that, man. I'm getting older, man. So let me put on my second pair of glasses. My glasses real quick. Now, let me clean that. Now let's try this again. So it says here, how to use brush blue shark oil on the tire. Let tire, then wipe, let dry, then wipe off the access with sponge. Keep out of reach of children, last 6 weeks, no sling. You can get this at www.stunnergrease.com. I'm about to try the Stunna Butter out. I'm gonna go give it to my detailer real quick. Let him know that this is what the product I'm dealing with. I already told him about it, but I'm gonna get it over there. But he can go ahead and look at the shop, y'all. Mopar HELLCAT. Mopar HELLCAT, both of them getting wide body. So man, we've been blessed, man. But you know what? Car care is important. Stunna, shout out for reality. Taking the time to make out the product. You are definitely a car culture guy. I'm expecting this to be some amazing stuff. So I'm gonna get my guy and explain to him what I want him to do and get it situated. Buddy. So the teller, man, is Marco San Miguel. Buddy, if y'all know him, man. He does a lot for it, but I'm gonna tell him what's going on in Spanish, so hold on. Alright, y'all, so check this out. I told my technician what we need to do. He pulled out the sponges. 2 wax applicator pads is what he's gonna use, 1 tire shine applicator. He's gonna use these to do the installation of the Stunna Butter, man. So right now, we are gonna get this done. They're beginning to wash the car right now, get it all situated. He's wiping on the wheels, get everything situated, and we should have this done for you in a few minutes. So look, man, they got the Audiocat dripping wet, and now they're about to foam her up to get her soap going, to get her all cleaned up. Now, buddy, I got a question for you. Did you degrease the tires? Ya le quito degrease a la goma. So you've already, let's walk this through. Ya le metiste un degrease a la goma. He's already degreased the tires. The reason we do that is to take off all the other stuff that was on the tires. So I just saw that they were nice and clean. But he degreased the tires, made them perfectly clean, flat surface. Now he's gonna go spin on my car. Spin on the car, baby boy. Vamos! Destroyer Cat in the building. We'll be having his car here soon. Every Friday and Saturday getting that car clean. But she is getting foamed out, y'all. Right now, she is getting foamed out. Done deal. Now he can do the rest. I'm letting him foam up the car, let him do his thing, but let's review this Stunna. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. He wiping down the kitty cat right now, y'all. Making sure he do a good job. You don't be missing no parts. Gotta make sure you do everything perfect, bro. This is not the HELLCAT, it's the AUDIOZONE. Get down there, scrub it down. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Let him do his thing, man. I just like to come mess with him, y'all. So stay. Cruise crew, I'm walking out here to check on. There she is, there. I'm drying her up, man. So now that you guys see the car wash done, I'm gonna show you the tires. So you see how they're nice and dry. But now we're gonna see how the Stunna butter really work on this tire. So you can see the tire right now. This is the shine that the car has factory. He already degreased it and everything. This is the tire shine originally. In a few minutes, he can apply the Stunna butter. We're gonna check it out and see how it comes. All right, y'all, so this is where we at right now. He's got the car. He's about to remove the Stunna butter, put it into a little cup there. You can see this is his style of doing it. So we're gonna get that in there. Gonna grab a little brush, and he's gonna apply the Stunna butter to the tire. So he's getting it done. Look at this, y'all. Stunna butter looking great.
Como líquido. Bien líquido.
So let him get the whole Stunna butter on this tire. So on this video, I'm gonna give you not only just the install, y'all, but I'm gonna give you the a couple days review. So I'm gonna let him do his old install. He's doing inside. So if y'all don't see what he's doing is, when you look at this tire, there's a little well tire right here. He's actually getting it inside of that area. Like you can see the difference right there, look. So he's getting it inside that tire to make sure that she's looking good. There we go. So Stunna butter, you are being installed on the AudioCat. And after he gets it done, I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes and let him do what he has to do to wipe it off. And at that point in time, we're gonna give you guys a review on the SLING and how it shines after, y'all. So stay tuned and you get that Stunna butter installed. Y'all, Stunna butter is installed, and I am gonna tell you, you can actually look at the difference between the shine part and the 9-shot part. You can see exactly what the difference is. He already did the top. Blow it, get all the water out and all the liquid out, so we don't have no reasons to have any kind of thing. But boy, does that thing look amazing. You can see the difference right here, y'all. Let's look at the tires, the tires and the Stunna butter. It is looking great, y'all. Check that out. Badass. That Stunna butter is looking amazing, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a thing. He can win it. He gonna blow it out with the air to make sure that none of these crevices have any reason to sling it, but he just blew it out with the air. You can see, to make sure everything looks perfect. But I can tell you that if you look at the tire and the Stunna butter, you could definitely tell the difference in the tire, y'all. That thing is shining. It has a beautiful, nice haze to it. Look at that. Beautiful damn haze. It is looking amazing, y'all. So right now we got this done today. I'm gonna check it out for y'all within the and give a review on Stunna butter. So it says 6 weeks. I'm gonna give you a 4-day review today, tomorrow, the next day. Give you guys an understanding. The driver's side for references. Nothing there slinging. No slinging. Day 1, day 2. True. Day number 2 on the Stunna Reese Stunna butter tire care, which is the first product I've tried out. Let's see how it's going on, but I'm gonna tell you one thing, I do not like it. I love it. My tire still has the beautiful gloss to it, y'all. Beautiful looking tire. The tire's nice and glossy. You can see throughout here. Still looks wet, and I got nothing on my car. I mean, I got a little very minor thing, but I don't even think like it's sling or nothing. That's a hair, but I don't got nothing going on. So on day number 2, she's killing it. My tire here, look, glossy. In fact, look at that tire, y'all. And sling wise, y'all look at the car. Stunna butter, definitely I'm gonna give my A1. It looks perfect. Show y'all the other side of the car. Still got the shine on the tires, y'all can see. Still got the shine on the tire in the back, you can see. Look at that sun gleam on that. My opinion, Stunna butter, you got it. I'm gonna be ordering the whole package. He's from the customer, and I'm gonna end this video by first of all shooting out StunnaReese.com. You go get your Stunna butter, find him on Instagram, find him on YouTube, find him on his website. He's the man for the culture. We're gonna definitely give him the support. I'm buying the whole product. It is amazing. So on mine, 5-star review, the Stunna butters. Y'all be good, God bless.